From the Suno home screen, open Create. Then click on Audio. You'll see you can upload audio or record it. We're going to record audio. Click the Record button. Allow the microphone if you're prompted. And then sing away. La, 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 la. Okay, you don't have to be a great singer. Hit the red button to stop the recording. And I recorded all of that talking, so I'll trim that out by moving the handles. Click inside the handles and press play if you want to hear your sample. Let me hit save, and save to library is already highlighted. That's what we want. The pink bar moves while the clip's uploading. The uploaded sample will be at the top of the workspace. You can listen to it. La, 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 la. That's perfect. Let's drag it over and put it in Drag Tracks here for inspiration. We'll leave lyrics blank because we're going to make solo instrument samples. I'll put solo slide guitar in the style box, and I'll exclude band under advanced options since I don't want a band behind the solo guitar. We don't have to worry about the singer, and we set lyrics to manual, leave the lyric box blank, and Suno should give us an instrumental. This doesn't always work, and I'll show you in the next example where it fails and how I fix it. Set weirdness to safe and put style and audio influence around 95. It doesn't have to be exact. And let's give it a title. Hit create and give it a second. It took about 30 seconds for Suno to give us 2 files. Let's listen. That came out great. It followed what I sang and then used that style in the rest of the musical phrase. Here's the second one. Great, that's a lot of steps, but none of them are hard. I like the first one better, so that's what I'll use in my song. Now, if you can't record yourself, you can use an uploaded audio file. I'll show you right here, then we'll turn it into our new sound, and we'll combine everything into our song at the timestamps you see on the screen. Let's keep going. To use an existing sample from your computer, go to Audio and Upload. Pick your file and upload it, and just like before, save it to the library. Here it is in Suno. Click on your audio sample and bring it to Drag Tracks here for inspiration. In the style box, I enter a sound that's completely different. I want to make harmonizing vocals, and I want them to use the word ah since I don't have any lyrics. And just like before, I exclude band, pick a female vocal, manual lyrics so that Suno makes an instrumental, leave the sliders like this, add a title, and make our sample. I usually get solo harmonizing vocals with this. Instead, Suno made this. I'll show you why it did it and how I fixed it. The vocals are what I wanted, but there's also a band behind it. With vocals, you have to tell Suno it's a cappella, so I'll put that in, spelled correctly, and here's the result. That worked really well. Here's the second one. Great, we're ready to go ahead and make our original sounding song. We have our sample that we sang in, slide guitar that we made, and we have the harmonizing vocals. We'll add some lyrics in and we'll have our song. I'll drag and drop the samples we created in Chapter 1 and 2 to drag samples here for inspiration. Before we made instrumentals, but now we're turning this into a song and I need lyrics. After I put the lyrics in the style box, I'll tell it to make a cinematic song using the harmonizing vocals. Exclusions is blank and I pick female vocals. Lyrics are set to manual. I meant to set style to 50%, but I used 40 by mistake. Audio influence is the most important thing, so set that to 100. Suno will follow your samples. Here's what Suno gave me.
Picture on the wall, it's standing 10 feet tall. I can save the world.
Here's the second track. You heard a bit at the beginning of this video.
There's a picture on the wall. It's standing 10 feet tall. I can save the
Check out our other videos for more specific tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment, share with a friend, join the channel, and thanks for being here.